The worst part of a conversation is when you have to put effort to just make the other person speak a word. See, everybody hates boring dudes. Boring dudes are like watching the paint getting dry. And I'm sure you're not one of those boring dudes. But even if you are, you won't be anymore. Only if you follow these 5 undeniable tips which will help you not be boring anymore. Firstly, there is no such thing like boring. Boring is a negative word and we are gonna keep it all positive here. So instead of speaking it as boring, we'll rather say it as less interesting. And the least interesting guys are those who are completely into their phones the entire time. And this takes us to a point number 1, that is get out of the technological rat hole. The most significant factor which shows that you're one of those boring dudes is not being a part of the conversation. And what's stopping you from doing this is your own phone. See, when you keep on checking your phone constantly during the conversation, it shows that you're not interested in the conversation anymore. Yes, we all want to stay updated, but at least when you're around your friend or you are attending a party or something, focus on the people you're surrounded with instead of getting stuck into your phone. This will make you look like a more approachable person. See, I'm not forcing you to listen to what you're not interested in. Just don't make the other person feel bad. Otherwise, next time the person will think twice before approaching you. Number 2, do more interesting things in life. See, nobody is boring by birth. What makes them boring is the lifestyle they have. Your everyday routine tells a lot about you. Guys who follow the same routine every day are quite boring. Always try to have new experiences daily. All too often, we let the fear of the unknown stop us from trying new things in life. Well, trying new things in life doesn't mean you have to risk your life or limb or something like that. By having new experiences in life, you will know more about yourself. Feeling bored in life sometimes is totally normal. What's not normal is to do nothing about it. Try to meet a new person every day and have candid conversations with them. Do various kind of activities, listen to various podcasts and audiobooks. By this, you'll learn different lessons and also you'll gain some knowledge and information. Number 3, develop a good sense of humor. See, the easiest way of not being boring anymore is to develop a good sense of humor. A sense of humor can be a person's greatest asset. This will help you interact more easily with others. And guys with a good sense of humor are a joy to be around. According to some experiments based on the topic of attractiveness, both men and women rate funny people as being more attractive. Sense of humor is found to be one of the most crucial traits in a person, but what's often misunderstood is the fact that you don't have to be funny to have a good sense of humor. You just have to learn to see the lighter sides of the situation. See, long story short, you don't have to be a clown to have a good sense of humor. Just focus more on having fun than being funny. Guys with good sense of humor are more attractive, more confident, more interesting, and of course, less boring. Number 4, be more positive. Do you remember that glass half empty, glass full sort of story? Yes, exactly, we are talking about that. A positive mindset can improve your mood, give you more confidence, and of course, reduce stress and depression. Positivity doesn't always refer to smile all the time and be cheerful all day. Positivity is more about one's overall perspective on life and to focus on all that is good in life. Positive guys can be infectious in a good way, and according to researches, people like being around positive guys. What you can also do is just smile more, because guys who smile more just seem to have a presence that you wish you had. Smiling is the simplest way to display warmth. By this, you look more approachable, more friendly, and most of all, less boring. And finally, number 5, tell stories but know when to stop. See, if you are a great storyteller, then you can be a people's magnet, but not knowing when to stop can do the exact opposite of it. According to the experts, guys who are good storytellers are found to be more attractive to women. Storytelling is the art to narrate a story to engage the audience. A storyteller conveys a message and imparts knowledge and information, but in an interesting way. And by doing all this, the guy automatically becomes the center of attention. A great storyteller should be confident, creative, interesting, and above all, he should have a great sense of humor. And never stress on what to speak, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to remember what you said. What they are going to remember is how you made them feel at the moment. If you're not a tall, dark, and handsome guy, then storytelling is the skill you need to work on. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, drop us a like down below. See you next week.